Hello everyone! Today we're going to build a program that lets our robot follow your hand movements using IR sensors. Let's make it come to life. We're going to create our program using the AMS Studio of AvisCore. First, add the My Program block to start. Then, add an infinite loop block so the robot keeps following your hand. Next, let's add an if block to check if both IR sensors detect your hands. We'll use the AND logic operator to do this. First, we'll check if the left IR sensor detects a hand. Then, do the same for the right IR sensor. If both sensors detect a hand, the robot will move forward. Now, let's add an else if condition to check if the robot's IR sensor detects a hand only on the left side. We'll use this condition to check if the left IR sensor detects a hand. And another condition to confirm the right IR sensor doesn't. If the robot detects a hand only on the left side, it will turn left. Next, let's add another else if condition to check if the robot's IR sensors detect a hand only on the right side. We'll use a condition to confirm the left IR sensor doesn't detect a hand. And another condition to check if the right IR sensor does. If the robot detects a hand only on the right side, it will turn right. Finally, let's specify what our robot will do if neither of its sensor detects a hand. In this case, the robot will remain stationary.